In this video, I'm going to use Kalodata to find the top 5 winning products for TikTok Shop for April 2026. Kalodata is one of the best software to use to research products for TikTok Shop because it just makes the whole process so much easier. And let me just show you how it works. So here we're looking at the main dashboard of Kalodata, and if you want access to this so you can follow along, I've listed a direct link to a free trial in the description below. And once you're logged in, this is the screen that you'll see. And the first step, we can just come to the product tab. So we can click on product. And one very useful feature on Kalodata that I like the most is the filters on the left-hand side. You can basically set different filters in order to narrow down your search. So for category, since now is springtime, I like to go for sports and outdoor, and also beauty and personal care. And on TikTok Shop, beauty and personal care is always one of the best-selling categories. So let's click on apply. And the reason why I picked that 2 categories in my search is because April is all about reset and people getting ready for the summer. So the 2 categories that do really well is fitness and workout, because demand spikes for at-home workouts as people want to get in shape for summer. And the other category that do really well is glow up, or products that help people improve their appearance. So high quality skincare and grooming products tend to perform really well. And products that do well on TikTok Shop usually have these traits. First, have instant visual clarity. So that means that viewer understands it within 3 seconds. Secondly, it solves a daily annoyance. And then it is affiliate friendly. So the product is easy for creators to demo at home. So those are the products that we are going to focus on. So let's come back to Kalodata and finish our filters. So for revenue filters, I like to go with at least 10K. So that means the product has some proven demand. For revenue growth rate, let's go with at least 30. For average unit price, let's go with 20 to 100. So the price is not too low and it's also not too high. And when you're done with the filters, let's click on submit. And then we'll be able to see the search results here on the right-hand side. You can see the revenue that's generated by each product, the revenue trend graph, the revenue growth rate, the number of items sold, the average unit price, the commission rate for the product, as well as the highest revenue videos. So everything you need to evaluate the product in an efficient way is all laid out right here. So here's the first product that I found that I think has really good potential. It fits into the fitness angle. It's basically a steppers for exercise, space-saving stair stepper with resistant bands. It has really good ratings. This is the price point, and commission rate is at 12%. So if we take $99 times it by 12%, so for every sell, you can make $11.88 if you're doing TikTok Shop affiliate. So that's a decent commission. And as you can see here in the trending graph, it's slowly trending up over the course of the last 30 days. And in the same period, it generated $44,000 in revenue. So let's come down here and look at a product demo. So let's look at the first one. So this video has gotten 754,000 views and generated $10,000 in revenue. So that was a short 8 seconds video with the text on screen with her using the product in the background. So let's move on to the second product. So the second product I found that has really good potential is this full body miracle repair set. So it's a 3-step routine product for hyperpigmentation and body acne. And it's a Korean skincare product, which is something that has been really trendy recently. It has really good reviews as well, decent price point, and really good commission. So commission is at 20%. And last 30 days, that have sold $136,000 in revenue. And you can see that the trend graph is also trending up. And when you look at the last 90 days, you can see that the trend is even more apparent. So let's come down here to look at a product demo. So let's look at the first one. This video has gotten over 3 million views and generated over $29,000 in revenue.
I never showed my back in public because of my acne. It made me so insecure. But when I tell you this Sun By Me body acne wash cleared up my acne, it took my acne from this to this so quick. It works with tea tree, salicylic acid. Honestly, I feel so much more confident now that I've used this. I bundled it with their toner and their body cream. The toner helps with the post-acne marks. So I love to use this after the shower, and then also the body cream. This one is so moisturizing and helps protect your skin barrier. If you want to clear up your acne, don't just get the body wash, get the full set. It's so worth it, especially because it's cheaper per item when you get the full set. I'm just so happy that I cleared my body acne because there is nothing worse than not feeling confident in your own skin. I'll leave the link for these down below. Go grab them before the sale ends.
Another really useful feature in Kalodata that I want to show you is that let's say if you want to export this script, you can just come here to the More button and then just click on Transcript Export. And then the script is going to be exported in just a couple seconds. So here you can see the exact script. You can copy it and edit it on your own, so you can add in your own examples, or you can just use the script optimizer. It will pull the script, and the AI script writer here will help you create a high converting script. When you scroll down, you can see the selling points of the video, and then you can also select the gender and also like any age group that you're trying to target. And when you're done, you can click on generate, and then the script is going to be created for you. So Kalodata not only make finding winning products easy, they also make the scripting process really easy as well. So let's move on to the next product. So here's the next product that I think has really good potential. It is a grass-fed beef tallow natural sunblock with coconut oil. There's the product right here. So I think this one has a lot of potential because tallow-based product is still really hot right now, and a lot of people are looking for a more natural alternative for their sunscreen. This product has a really good rating. That's the price point, and also a really good commission rate at 28%. It has sold $32,000 in the last 30 days. And when you look at the last 90 days, you can see a more clear picture that is likely trending up. Let's come down here and look at one of the product demos. Let's look at this one.
Hawaii literally banned sunscreen and you're still lathering it all over your kids. Especially whenever Grounded Labs literally makes a 3-ingredient sunscreen. No toxin chemicals, paraffin. Always keep stock on this, and with summer coming, it's going to be hard to do that. So if you want something that's not going to give you and your family the big old C, the side note, there's been like 30-some sunscreens that have been recalled. This is a sunscreen that you need to have in your bag. I'm going to have it linked for you. It's not the sun that's bad for you. It's the sunscreen.
So the next product I'm going to talk about is this product right here. So this is a 15-day fast-acting anti-cellulite sculpting and tightening massage cream. So this product is really looking like it's trending up right now. It sold over $74,000 in the last 30 days. Decent reviews. That's the pricing, and the commission rate is also really good. Look at the last 90 days. You can see that the trend is clearly picking up recently. So let's just come to look at a product demo.
Day 5 on the cryo cream for my upper arm. I am telling you guys, this cream is no joke. It is fully in effect. I have seen dramatic changes just like I did on my thighs. This stuff is literally miracle work in the making. Look back at my videos from day 1. Look back at the videos. Look at my leg videos. Y'all, the next step is my tummy. I'm just saying, I'm dropping the link. Get yours.
So those are the winning products for this month. Consider subscribing if you found this helpful, as I post often about TikTok Shop winning products. And if you have any questions, leave in the comments below, and I hope to see you in the next video.